Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic related to area of triangles. The name of this topic is Heron's formula, which is one of the most important chapter in 9th maths. Before moving towards the introduction of Heron's formula, मैं थोड़ा सा आपको some basics related to triangles बताऊंगा. Firstly, we should know what is a triangle. Triangle is simply a closed polygon. It is simply a closed polygon. Having three sides. Having three sides. So the triangle is a closed polygon having three sides and three angles. You all know that. The two most important terms related to triangles which you people should remember is, first one is perimeter. First one is perimeter. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of a triangle is simply the sum of length of sides of a triangle. Is simply the sum of length of sides of a triangle. Here I will draw as a triangle. Name it as ABC. How we can find the perimeter of this triangle? Here in this triangle you can see that there are three sides. The first side is AB, second side is BC, and third side is AC. Here in this triangle ABC, perimeter will be equal to sum of three sides of a triangle. That means sum of AB plus BC plus AC. That means perimeter will be equal to AB plus BC plus AC. That means sum of length of sides. So this is the perimeter. So you people should remember, perimeter is simply the sum of sides of a triangle. The sum of all sides of a triangle is simply known as perimeter. So the SI unit of perimeter which you people should know that if sides are given in meters, for example, if this side is given in meters, this is given in meters, this is given in meters. That means if AB is meters, BC is in meters, AC is in meters, then the perimeter will have the SI unit as meter, because meter plus meter plus meter will become equal to meter. So SI unit of perimeter is either meter. If the sides are given in smallest unit, that means here if the sides are given in centimeters, if AB is in centimeter, BC is in centimeter, AC is in centimeter, then the unit will become centimeter. So the SI unit of perimeter is either meter or centimeter. If unit is not given, we can simply write units. We can simply write units after the numerical value. That means if SI unit, if the perimeter of the triangle will come out to be 2, we will write 2 meter or 2 centimeter. If unit is not given, that we will write 2 units simply. Now the second most important term related to triangles is area. Is area. So firstly know what is an area. I will draw here another triangle, so you people should understand betterly what is an area. I will name this triangle as ABC. Area of this triangle is simply defined as the total space enclosed by a triangle. Total space enclosed by a triangle within its boundaries. I will shade this triangle This shaded portion, it is known as area of triangle. It's known as area of triangle. So the shaded portion, it's known as area of triangle. So area of triangle is simply defined as the total space enclosed by a triangle, which is known as area of triangle. You people could already have known that the basic formula to find the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 half of base into height. You have already known this formula in class 8th mensuration. This is the formula to find the area of a triangle. To find the area of a triangle. Here base B and height is h of the given triangle. Whether the triangle is either scalene or isosceles or equilateral, we use this formula. Suppose here draw another triangle to understand the area betterly. Name it as A, B, C. Now let us know what is base and what is height in this triangle. अगर हम साइड BC को बेस मानेंगे और हम साइड BC को बेस लेंगे, देन हाइट क्या बनेगा इस बेस का. ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर ऑन दिस बेस फ्रॉम द अपोजिट वर्टिक्स. BC का अपोजिट वर्टिक्स क्या है? A. Draw the perpendicular. I will draw a perpendicular. Name it as A, B, C. Name it as D. So AD is the perpendicular on base BC. So here the area will become, as you know, the basic formula 1 by 2 base into height. Base क्या है यहाँ पे? BC. That means BC into height क्या है यहाँ पे? AD. Height is AD. So this will become the area of triangle. This will become the area of triangle. Now if we take another side as base, let us suppose take AC as base now. Now AC as base. So AC is base. What will be its height? Draw a perpendicular on this AC from opposite vertex. Here opposite vertex of side AC is B. So draw perpendicular from B on this base AC. So B, name it as E. So BE will become the height of the base AC, on the base AC. So here the area will become 1 by 2 base, now base is AC. So 1 by 2 base into height. Height is not here AD, height is B, that we draw from opposite vertex on this base. Side AC हमने बेस माना, इस पे हमने एक perpendicular from opposite vertex डाला. That means from B. BE here will become height. So the area will become 1 by 2 base AC into height will become B. So this is the area of the triangle. Now the last side of the triangle, that is, I will make a triangle. So A, B, C. Firstly हमने B से बेस माना, उसका हाइट क्या बन गया? AD. उसका हाइट बन गया AD. देन हमने AC को बेस माना, उसका हाइट बन गया AE. So A is. Now take the last side AB as base. Now take the last side AB as base. So when AB is base, what is its height? Draw the perpendicular on this AB from opposite vertex. What is the opposite vertex of AB? Here you can see that AB, its opposite vertex is C. So draw the perpendicular. I will draw a perpendicular. So name it as A, B, C, D, E, F. Name it as F. So FC or CF is the perpendicular on side AB. That means CF is here height on base AB. So लास्ट पे हमने ए बी माना बेस, उसका हाइट बन गया सी एफ. सो द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल विल नाउ बी इक्वल टू 1/2 बेस. बेस क्या है? ए बी इंटू हाइट क्या है? सी एफ. सो दिस विल बी द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. वी हैव टेकन द थ्री साइड्स 1/1 एज बेस. Then we have calculate the area by using the basic formula of the area of triangles. So basic formula of area of triangles is 1/2 into base into height, which you people have already known. So this is the basic formula for calculating the area of a triangle in which a base and height is given. So you should know what is the SI unit of area, just like you have known what is the SI unit of perimeter. Here if base is given in meters, and height is given in meters, then meter into meter will become meter square. So the SI unit will become meter square. If the base is given in centimeter and the height is given in centimeter, the centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter square. So the unit will become either meter square or centimeter square. So the unit of area is meter square or centimeter square. Now move towards the topic. The question here is that will come into your mind is how to find the area of that triangle in which neither base is given nor height is given. Only the sides of the triangle are given. That's only AC, side BC, side AB will be given, but not base nor height will be given. How to find the area of that triangle? That means हमें area of triangle निकालना है. अब जिस triangle का base और height हमें पता नहीं, but only we know the length of three sides of the triangle. So उस ट्रायंगल का एरिया हम कैसे निकालते हैं? लेट अस नो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल व्हेन all sides of a triangle are given. उस ट्रायंगल का एरिया कैसे निकाला जा सकता है जब ट्रायंगल के साइड्स दिए गए हैं? सो फर्स्टली लेट अस एज्यूम सिंपल ट्रायंगल हियर ABC. Let's assume a simple triangle here ABC. Let us take the length of side AB as A units. हमें पता नहीं AB का लेंथ क्या है, हमने मान लिया कि AB का जो लेंथ है वो है A units. Similarly, take the length of side BC as B units, and similarly take the length of side AC as C units. Small c, small a, small b, small c are the lengths of sides AB, BC, and AC or CA. So, how to find the area of this triangle? We don't know what is the height and what is the base of this triangle, but only know the sides of the triangle. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. How to find the area of this triangle when we don't know its height and base? To find the area of this triangle, we use a formula. That formula is known as Heron's formula. So पहले हम जानेंगे Heron's formula क्या होता है. Heron's formula is the formula given by Heron to find the area of triangle according to this formula the area of triangle is equal to, according to Heron the area of triangle is equal to, ये याद रखना, यही आपके चैप्टर का नाम है, यही फार्मूला इस चैप्टर में आप यूज करेंगे, अंडर रूट ऑफ s इंटू s माइनस a इंटू s माइनस b इंटू s माइनस c, where a b c are the sides of the triangle, where a b c are the sides of the triangle. Here a b c are the sides of the triangle, as I already mentioned. Here a is the side length of side AB, B is the length of side BC, and A is the length, C is the length of side AC. So A, B, C here in this formula are the lengths of sides AB, BC, and AC. So what is here S? What is here S? Let us know what is the meaning of S in Heron's formula. This S. You know that perimeter of a triangle, which I have already taught to you people, is sum of sides of a triangle, is simply the sum of sides of a triangle. Now firstly find the perimeter of this triangle. Find the perimeter of this triangle as, you know that perimeter sum of sides, sum of side AB plus BC plus AC. So perimeter here is length of side AB क्या है A, so it is A plus length of side BC क्या है B plus length of side AC क्या है C. So this is the perimeter. So this is the perimeter of a triangle, of this given triangle. Now if we divide this perimeter, by 2, that is if we divide A plus B plus C, क्या है sum of sides of a triangle, that means perimeter, sum of all sides of a triangle. If we divide it by 2, it will become semi perimeter. That means it will become half of perimeter. It will become semi perimeter. Semi means half. That means we have divided the perimeter by 2. That means half. That is known as perimeter को हमने half किया. That means semi perimeter, half of perimeter. Semi perimeter of a triangle. This semi perimeter of a triangle is represented by symbol S. जो हमने Heron's formula में AS यूज किया. अब आपको पता होगा कि ये S क्या है यहाँ पे. This S is simply the semi perimeter of a triangle. S is simply the semi perimeter of a triangle which we have calculated. Firstly, we have calculated the perimeter of a triangle. Then we have divided the perimeter of triangle by 2. This is the semi perimeter of a triangle. So semi perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So in Heron's formula, S is the semi perimeter. S is semi perimeter. A and B, A, B, C are sides of a triangle. A, B, C are sides of a triangle. A, B, C क्या है sides of a triangle. Now to understand the Heron's formula betterly, let us take a simple example. Let's take a simple example to calculate the area of triangle using Heron's formula. That is, example is, find the area of triangle whose sides are 6 meter, 8 meter and 10 meter respectively. आपको ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालना है जिसके साइड्स दिए गए हैं. साइड्स क्या है 6 मीटर, 8 मीटर, 10 मीटर respectively. So firstly draw the triangle, name it as ABC. Let us take side AC as 6 meter, BC as 8 meter and AB as 10 meter respectively. You have to calculate the area of this triangle. You don't know what is the height of this triangle, so you don't use the basic formula which I already taught, basic for 1 by 2 base into height. You have to use here Heron's formula, because Heron's formula is used to find the area of that triangle in which all the 3 sides of the triangle are given. Here 3 sides are given, you can easily use Heron's formula. So you know here in Heron's formula we have to know what are the sides of triangle. Here sides of triangle I will write here A equal to, let suppose this is side A, जैसे हमने फॉर्मूला लिखा था, A equal to 6 meter, B equal to, let this be 8 meter, let this is C equal to 10 meter. We know according to Heron's formula. Heron's formula क्या बोलता है हमें, area of triangle. area of triangle हमेशा बराबर होता है अंडर रूट ऑफ S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of this triangle which are known. That is, A is equal to 6 meter, B is equal to 8 meter, C is equal to 10 meter. So to calculate the area, we should know semi-perimeter of this triangle. Semi-perimeter of this triangle. So firstly, calculate the semi-perimeter of this triangle. You know that the perimeter of this triangle is equal to sum of sides of the triangle. That is sum of side AB plus BC plus AC. Here AB is known, BC is known, AC is known. So perimeter will become 10 plus 8 plus 6. That means sum of sides. Sum of side A, B, C. A plus B plus C. हमें सेमी पेरीमीटर चाहिए, न कि पेरीमीटर, बिकॉज वी नो हियर मीनिंग ऑफ एस इज सेमी पेरीमीटर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए गिवन ट्रायंगल. सो सेमी पेरीमीटर हम कैसे निकालते हैं? सिंपली बाय डिवाइडिंग टू, हाफ ऑफ पेरीमीटर. सो दिस विल बिकम 10 plus 8 will become 18, 18 plus 6 will become 24, 24 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 20, it will come out to be 12, it will come out to be 12 meter. As lengths are given in meters, so perimeter will also be given in meter, as I have already taught you that the unit of perimeter is meter or centimeter if sides are given in centimeter. So this is the semi perimeter of the triangle. So you know that's S. You know also know the A, B, the C. Substitute the value of A, B, C and S in the Heron's form. We will get the area of triangle easily. So now area of triangle will become under root of S की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 12 into S की जगह पे फिर से 12 minus A. A क्या है? 6. S की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? सेमी पेरीमीटर 12 minus B क्या है? 8. S की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? फिर से 12 minus C क्या है? 10. So it will become 12, 12 minus 6 will become 6 into 12 minus 8 will become 4, 12 minus 10 will become 2. So 6 into 4 into 2 into 12, 6 4s are 24 into 2, 24 into 2 will become 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 48. So it will become 48 into 12. So 12 into 48, that will become equal to root 5 7 6. Root 5 7 6 will come out to be equal to 24. So 24 यूनिट क्या लगाएंगे? ये एरिया है. सो एरिया का यूनिट क्या होता है? साइड्स आर गिवन इन मीटर्स, सो द एरिया विल बी इन मीटर स्क्वायर. सो 24 मीटर स्क्वायर is the area of the triangle, of this triangle. So 24 meter square is the area of this triangle. This was all about Heron's formula. In the next lecture हम exercise उठाएंगे Heron's formula की. So thank you.